Hey, good morning. It's Tim here with Expert Power Wash. Hey, just wanted to check in and say hello to everybody. I know I haven't posted in a while. There's been a lot going on, a lot of growth, and I've just been busy. So let me show you what I've been up to. All right, one thing we did is we added a new shop. So it's not huge, but it works for us. Before we go in there, I seen a pretty awesome site over here. I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera, but that is Mount Hood over there with the sun coming up behind it. It's going to be a beautiful day for washing. All right, let's take a look. Let's go on in. I haven't cleaned this up at all. This is just how it is. So got projects everywhere. Got some signs there from Tim Fields. Thank you, Tim. Some more signs there. Little mini fridge. Keep this thing stocked up with some Red Bulls. It's all drinks. But yeah, just a little tour around the shop, and it's messy right now. This is what it looks like when there's work in progress everywhere. So we've added 3 technicians this year. 2 are running in one truck, one's running in another. We got a bunch of hose reels up there. That Transit Connect van that you guys have seen, I'm gonna be building that out into like a little mini wash rig. I got hoses sitting there for that. Yeah, just a bunch of chemicals. And a whole wall of stuff there. Just stuff everywhere. Flatbed's still working out really well. It's running great. With a 2-man crew, this little 4-gallon-a-minute machine has actually really came in handy. We're using this thing almost daily now. Even though I'm an 8-gallon-a-minute guy, I went out and got another surface cleaner for that little 4-gallon-a-minute. Again, when you're running 2 guys, to be able to throw somebody on another surface cleaner, another machine, really helps out. Trying to think here. Yeah, I got some more projects over here. Not really a whole lot to see in this shop, to be honest. It's just it's a work in progress. I'm happy to be out of the storage unit that we were renting, between that and my garage. So this is a little bit nice. I have running water, electricity. Nice little workstation over here. Got my boot dryer. We got the humble beginnings of a kind of a numbers board here. This is all stuff that we just started tracking just recently. So we're incentivizing for reviews and upsells, and we had some numbers posted up here, but they were so blown out of the water that we're gonna have to revisit the budget for the rest of the year. So one thing that we are focusing on is exterior window cleaning with all our house washings. For anybody out there that's washing, throw your water fed pull and your equipment on your truck, and it's a pretty easy upsell. Other than that, guys, I've just been really busy. Let me flip this around. Like I said, guys, I've just been really busy. I know there's been a lot of comments. I try to get all of them replied to, but there could be some that get missed, especially when they're attached onto other conversations. I get an alert in the email. I go in there and I try to make sure that I reply to all you guys. Some of you guys have asked about mentorship, ride-alongs, things like that. I honestly would love to do that for you guys, but keep in mind, YouTube is not where I make money. I don't make any money really off YouTube at all. There's a couple clicks here and there. I think some of you bought some hats on a Queensboro link that I put in there a while back, and I got like a $30 credit. But really, I just do this to help you guys out. It's fun when I have time. So please don't take it personal if I don't get a chance to get back to you guys, or I don't reply right away. Back here washing, this is my business. This is how I feed my family. This is how I make a living. So this comes first. It's my first priority. But I do have fun on YouTube. I like helping you guys. I think sometimes I overextend myself as far as what I'm able to do with still run my business at the same time. But I hope this video helps. I hope it inspires you guys. This is, again, just still humble beginnings for me as we build up the business and continue to grow. And as I get time, as I get more texts in the field, I will have more time to get off the truck and put out more content that hopefully is helpful to you guys. Hey, I hope everybody is having a killer spring. There is tons of work out there, so if you're not getting any work, get out there, throw out some flyers, some yard signs, whatever you got to do. Let's get some of that spring rush. You guys all have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.